friends, welcome to Flour and Food, an Italian journey. Today we're going to be making cookies, and these cookies are done with almonds and very few ingredients, very easy to make but very delicious taste. So let's start making our cookies. Okay friends, and here are the ingredients we will need to do our almond cookies. 250 grams of almonds, 250 grams of sugar, 2 egg whites, a teaspoon of vanilla, 3 drops of almond extract flavor, and then candied cherries for the decoration. We're going to put in our blender the almonds, we add the sugar in the blender. When we're going to work the blender, all right, we do it more times. We start, we let it blend for a minute or so, and we stop. We don't want it to get too hot because otherwise it's gonna extract the oil of the almonds. So we have to do it real fast. We do it for a couple of seconds, we stop, we wait a little bit, and then we restart again until we have a powdery almond flour with the sugar. And here is our almond flour with the sugar. Nice and soft and fluffy. Now we're going to add the ingredients, the egg whites, as you work the dough, we have to see how it absorbs the white of the egg nice and easy. We add the vanilla extract. And as you continue to mix the ingredients, little by little, it'll come together. When we're putting the almond flavor, not too much, about 3 drops, not more. See the difference, how it's coming together? And we add the rest of the egg whites. Take your time to mix it nicely so it absorbs and it starts coming together. The dough starts to tie. Very easy recipe, very delicious cookies. Once we're done, they will have to rest in the refrigerator. So once that we put them in the oven, they're not going to melt. See the consistency? I put a little bit of water so when I go work the cookie, the paper won't move. The candied cherries, and we're going to put them on the top. Wet hands. Get a little bit of the dough. And we're going to close it. We're going to make a little ball. Going to cover them. Going to put them in the refrigerator for 12 hours. Tomorrow morning, we're going to bake them. The cookies are in the fridge. They'll be there for 12 hours during the night, and we'll bake them tomorrow morning. We took out the cookies from the fridge. Now we're going to put them in the oven, 180 degrees. I already put the oven on for about 10 minutes, so it's warm for the cookies. And you put them in 180 degrees for 15-20 minutes, okay? Okay, we put our cookies in the oven for 15-20 minutes. It depends on your oven. 180 degrees. Here are the almond cookies. The ones with the cherries on top, they cooked for 18 minutes. The one with the cherry inside cooked 22 minutes. It's thicker with the filling. It took a little bit extra time. I took them out of the oven and I let the pan rest for a good half hour because it's very fragile, the cookie, being only sugar and the almond. So it's better they rest and it cools off, and then nicely and gently take them out from the sheet. And I hope you like my recipe. Now I want to try one. Delicious. The sugar with the almonds mix in so well. Very sweet. Lovely. Very, very good. Buonissimi. I hope you enjoy my recipe. And if you do, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.